Feeling the pressure of a ticking clock on your Shopify trial? Shopify typically offers a standard free trial, but what if you need more time to truly explore its features, test your products, and perfect your store before committing to a paid plan? Well, the good news is, there are ways to potentially snag an extended free trial, and it starts with finding a Shopify partner. Head over to Google and search for Shopify Extended Free Trial Partner Program. Look for official Shopify partner websites within the search results. These partners often have special arrangements with Shopify to offer extended trials to their clients. Once you're on a Shopify partner's website, carefully browse their offerings. Look for any mentions of extended free trials, exclusive discounts, or bundled services that might include a longer trial period. Typically, you'll need to sign up through the partner's link. Fill out the registration form with your details, ensuring you provide accurate information about your business. By signing up through a Shopify partner, you can potentially unlock an extended free trial, giving you ample time to fully utilize Shopify's features, build your dream store, and set yourself up for e-commerce success. So ditch the stress of the standard trial, explore the partner program, and maximize your entrepreneurial journey with extra time to shine.